Hola y bienvenidos a Madros 5. This module we're talking about different parts of the body and how to talk about pain in different parts of the body using tener dolor. So if you remember tener, the verb to have, and then dolor is pain. So under the readings there are different sections in the book because we're doing body parts. It's like different parts of the body. So it jumps around a lot. Make sure you check all the pages. And then under the watch and the listen there's some videos about the parts of the body and a conversation to listen to. Then there's another thing like we saw last week about pronunciation practice, because this week we have the pronunciation project. So if we go to the assignments, we have the homework packet like always, but instead of a regular speaking assignment, we have the pronunciation project. So remember, for that, you're just reading the text exactly like it's there and aiming for clear pronunciation. So just reading, try to pronounce as best you can, and I'll give you feedback on that. If you haven't been doing well on the part of the rubric for pronunciation and your regular speaking assignments and you want to meet with me, I definitely recommend you email me as soon as possible this week. We can set up a Zoom meeting or a face-to-face meeting to go over the project together. So I really recommend you do that if you've been struggling with pronunciation. And then we have the quiz like always. So that's it. Let me know if you want to meet. Y nos vemos pronto. See you soon.